Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's evening show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, I almost start with our evening show. So Ray Parlour will be one of the Arsenal legends. When they talk say Arsenal would win the league if they had Erling Haaland. You get, because what they bring this talk, and they try to tell us the importance of having a very, very good number 9. So when you can compare them to the number 9 of the people who they compete with, you can say we no get number 9. When you make that comparison, you go know say we no get. Although the numbers where Haaland they put out, how many strikers in world football can replicate such numbers. But when you look at the reports we put out by TBR, they say Ray Parlour says Arsenal would win the league this season if they had Erling Haaland. So now when you read the entirety of the reports, they still repeat that same to say Arsenal would win the league if they had Erling Haaland. Ray Parlour was speaking about the idea that Arsenal need a new striker. So the pundit says everyone will always make the point that Arsenal need a new striker, claiming that while Kai Havertz has done a good job, Arsenal would win the league if to say na Erling Haaland then get. And I don't think anybody will really argue with this. Me, I subscribe to them 100%. If the someone could swap now, they give Man City Kai Havertz, give us Erling Haaland, we go win the league 5 times in a row. If Arsenal had Erling Haaland in their side, they'll probably win this league, win the league. That's how important number 9s are. I'm sure Mikel Arteta and Gaspar are scouring the world to try and find the right profile. Havertz hasn't done a bad job. Fair, it's fitted in pretty comfortably up there. In fact, when you can't read the reports, go down there, you can't see where them post this thing. The last 5 seasons, Erling Haaland for 2020-2021, 40 goals, 41 goals. Kai Havertz 9. The next season 29, Kai Havertz 14. Just check them like that. 52, 9, 38, 14, 14, 6. Get that this season already. Erling Haaland don't get 14 already. I have as this 6. So this season Havertz has really done well for that season. When gets where Haaland did 14. Get so far so good. You go say, well, this comparison, they that fair because Kai Havertz is not even registered as a striker. Now midfielder in B. We just convert them. So what's in Baba the talk? I subscribe to it, and I want to believe you said we don't get any objection. Say Arsenal really need a striker. That's why many people see the call for Arsenal to actually go sign Victor Gyökeres. But that's by the way, we won't wait till January. Now, in a twist of events, CAF can they drop a media release, a communique. They can they penalize Libya. You get for what they do Nigeria for that AFCON qualifiers. We be say then drop Nigeria for airports and leave them there for more than 16 to 18 hours based on strategy where they want to use for Nigeria to weaken us. When Nigeria can say, "Oh, we no replay, we can't come out." So Libya I say Libya CAF they already finished their investigation. They don't hear from both sides. They can't punish Libya. In fact, first of all, Libya don't forfeit that match. They already lose 3-0. That be part of the punishment because they say the CAF disciplinary board met to deliberate on the Total Energies CAF African Cup of Nations Morocco 2025 qualifier that was scheduled between Libya and Nigeria. So what they can't find, we say Libya Football Federation will found to have breached Article 31 of the Total Energy CAF African Cup of Nations regulations, as well as Article 82 and 151 of the CAF disciplinary code. Next one, the match gone. You can see where they talk say the match is supposed to play on the 15th of October in Benghazi is declared lost by forfeit by Libya by a score of 3-0. Let that sink in. Now, the Libya Federation will also pay a fine of $50,000. You get this fine is to be paid within the 60 days. Number 4, all other and further motions or prayers for relief are dismissed. I don't know how Libya will take this one because the thing the trend for social media now. If Libya the trend, social media don't catch fire because South Africa people they support Libya. Say Nigeria do the same thing to South Africa. Like I don't know what they happen. But as I can just let you know how the matter they go. So like this, as Nigeria don't already qualify because Nigeria needed to beat Libya to qualify. So like this, they don't qualify. Now, Football London, can they post a report where they talk say Julian Timber don't they fit from what I see from them, and even get another report where I see from the Daily Canon. You get, so the Daily Canon they talk say, and Julian Timber then see him for training. You get, I just forget. I know really screenshots that picture. If you start screenshot them, I for really post them. You get, so just they quite unfortunate. So I see the picture now. The way the picture be, you get one guy with the first show. So and another person will come there for him back. They call it also that person there for him back. Say na Timber the person be, even though the picture they somehow blurred. You get. But they confident. They talk say na Timber be that. Say Julian Timber already come back to training. Say in go fit dey available for the match we go play against Liverpool. Okay, if that be the case, we'll see how everything go be. Now, but Bono let also say Timber is fit. Say they're going to look at some other options where Ateta go use. So they're going to mention Jacob Kivior. Quite a way they talk say for the match we play against Bournemouth that Kivior came in after that red card to replace Saliba, even though he do that mistake where we use where there is scores. Yeah, so well, it is what it is. I don't know what Ateta go do, but I can't check Arsenal training today. So I can tell you for free. Say Ricardo Calafiri don't come back. In fact, I even get the video of the Arsenal training. They run like they happy for the training itself. You go see where Sterling. That's Sterling with that. Sterling they score goals like say tomorrow. No, they score plenty goals. I see the guy score like 2 or 3 goals for this training session. So as they walk out, I just watch the video. Next thing, I see one guy will carry tattoo for hand and say, don't be Ricardo Calafiri with this. That's why I just look there. I say, she been at this guy I say, they available. Say they available, they go test them, they go check one thing. So I say, okay, maybe you just follow them, they jog, you get, maybe just they make everywhere they happy, you get. But after this video, of course, see another video again where we say, guy, they do one more the job. This one a full team training, Baba. This one I mean say the guy don't be available. This one not waiting they will hide again. So that one may say in the available for selection. Like the way me I say Calafiri is going to be available for Sunday. So if that be the case, that means maybe we might be seeing a Gabriel Magalhaes and maybe Calafiri partnership in the center back. They never know who will come play left back, or maybe Calafiri never come face Salah. Then maybe Jacob Kivior and Gabriel Magalhaes come play center back partnership. You get. Then if God come bless us, make it come be say truly say I'm about the run up and down. If God come bless us, make it come be say Timber don't come back. So Calafiri go dey left back. Then why if he gum Gabriel Magalhaes for that center back duty, Timber go play right back. Everywhere go stew. At least that one still dey better than nothing. So na the way me I dey say am. So I just dey very, very happy. And na exactly what Ateta talk yesterday be that. Say this injury wey Calafiri get, he don't get that type of injury before. And before you know what they happen, the next 2 days, Oba don't be available, don't they play, don't come back. So we might see the same thing, and at the same thing we see now. For this training session, Sterling just they score like 2 goals, they play very, very well. But I know be that one we want to see. What we want to see is Raheem Sterling performing in the big stages. Look at the kind of game we want to play now against Liverpool. They don't talk say maybe Saka go play, Saka no go play, because for this training session, I didn't see Bukayo Saka. For this training session, I didn't see Julian Timber. You get, sadly, I no go lie for you. I don't see them. So maybe then they hide them for one place. Maybe they don't really show them. Don't really know. So let's just keep our fingers crossed. When the watch is telling us go. Now what you want to see for front of? Oh, make I no born too much with all this training. Make I come out and face other stories. So the Coco be say Ricardo Calafiri is back from the look of things. So I'm just happy. You get, I like it. It lifts my spirit. You get. Unless something drastic or something bad happens, now you go hear say maybe Calafiri no go they available. This is why we say Ateta no even hide them again. He can't free the guy can't come outside, can't involve. So that one save this. So more they watch who and who will come back on the day we go play. Now, Chido Obi Martin, where we still go give Manchester United, say that one save for the first match in play for Manchester United under 18, a basketball hat trick. The guy they trend for social media now. Even Talk Sports carried the story. They say ex-Arsenal youngster hits unwanted hat trick and blah 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 in full debut. So the guy said they enjoy in game time. They don't they flow. So wish him all the best for Manchester United. Even though no be our wish, I wish he was still at Arsenal. Now, what you say Barcelona they ready to listen to offers as Arsenal set sights on Blaugrana star. Who are we talking about? Ferran Torres. So Barcelona star Ferran Torres is attracting interest from 2 leading Premier League clubs. The view to the January transfer window. In fact, nobody else will just say we and Aston Villa are going to pursue this player. In fact, today itself, I don't even know what will happen for the matches Real Madrid versus Barca match, because they started by 8 o'clock. So I don't know who they win or who know they win. Now after the show, after I finish my recording, I'll go monitor proceedings, because everybody knows say after Arsenal, another team maybe say I get soft spots for. Now in Real Madrid. Okay, somebody tell me say now 0-0 they play about 30 something minutes. Well, it is what it is. Let's proceed. Now, Odegaard. Come and secondly talk about this match you want play with Liverpool, talk about injuries. You say based on saying the captain, normal, the guy they usually talk some kind of things. So back on the ahead of the meeting with Liverpool, Odegaard can tell us about the atmosphere in training this week, his thoughts on Tuesday's win, and how close he could be to a return to action. They say these are the games we love to play. I'm sure all of you are going to be really fired up, and we're expecting a top atmosphere inside the stadium. Our last 2 matches have had different challenges, losing to Bournemouth, then showing good character and getting the job done against Shakhtar Donetsk. When we didn't play at our best level, I know the team is determined to turn up with a huge performance, raise our level and reach our heights. Now we're pretty happy that Papa we can run out for us on Sunday. Everyone is excited and ready to go. We want to give our best performance, and we know that will be needed against Liverpool. They have had a strong start to the season, of course, and are full with confidence themselves. We played against them in preseason and watched that game against Chelsea last weekend, and it looks to me as though there are a few changes from how they played under Jurgen Klopp. That one no be lie, because I already said it against Chelsea. They were a bit laid back. We no be like the Liverpool I know. Liverpool I know they are always proactive any day, anytime. But Ancelotti, they didn't reserve in some occasions, but it is what it is. They come to the Emirates Stadium and they're supposed to collect, depending on our lineup anyway. So Graham Souness, normal. This one, they always talk negative things about Arsenal. So Babako Konkon join the bandwagon of those with the heap pressure on Arsenal. Say Arsenal must win this match. It's a must-win fixture. Arsenal cannot afford to lose. In fact, Baba say Arsenal are vulnerable and must win ahead of Gunners welcoming the Reds to the Emirates Stadium this weekend. So now waiting him the talk. Well, it is what it is. 9 game out, so nobody will call the full and the drag. Now, just Arsenal. There's a call the talk say Thomas Partey a very, very good player. So make Arsenal no use him for right back. Instead, now midfield we need him, because we need the partnership of Thomas Partey, Declan Rice, and Trossard in the middle of the park, because I know Arteta no go deploy one area, or who knows, Arteta might shock us. But let's just assume say he no go play the guy. So either Rice, Partey, Trossard. Now what we will expect, then Saka, Martinelli, Havertz for the front 3. Now my ideal formation be that, you get, since we are not embarking on any smally, so we'll just see how it will be. Now when you continue the reports from this now Arsenal, they're going to say, as it stands now, say Arteta should abandon his experiments with Thomas Partey as a right back, because the Ghana international has had better performances at right back compared to his brief stints there. But the Coco be say for now, Thomas Partey the hot for the midfield, so I believe that is where he should be played. Mark Lawrenson also when they predicts this match, but because for him, everything they see, na draw, boring draw. Then they see, because Arsenal the position will be say they can't afford to lose. Therefore, they no go like to anything will make them lose. They no go like them. So this is the main event of the weekend. But this might be a board draw. Arsenal cannot afford to get beaten if they are serious about being in the title race. Martin Odegaard still out and William Saliba suspended. For that reason, Baba they see draw for this match. Well, it is what it is. My dear Arsenal lovers, if you're enjoying the show, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow our community. As you do so, thumbs up to you guys, because you're going to help us spread the word out wide and wide. So the biggest news of the night, now in fact say our senior man, our legend, Dre Palo, when you talk about the importance of having a striker at Arsenal, we make a kind of talk say Arsenal will win the league this season with the Dialand. I'm Mr. Concord. I subscribe to his line of thought. Say, if Arsenal get Alan this season, like this would be Man City now the wine. Man City no will see our break lights. They no will see them. I don't think anybody will even object to this. Say if they will get them to show you how important striker dey, even though the person no be Alan, but maybe the person dey better than those we already have. That's why many people see the clamor for Gyökeres, and I think if Gyökeres really comes, it's going to do better than people we already have. So my dear Arsenal lovers, I think this is a fine place for us to call the show an end. So that come your way tomorrow morning to give you the morning news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Now good night and a night your mouth. All right, guys. Bye bye.